Welcome everyone. Today's video we're going to head to Home Bargains and we're going to check out the sundries. So it's been a little while and some really good offers still in store at the moment. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Just like the B&M store then, we're going to start off with the lawn care. Now they have a very similar price, Home Bargains, to B&M, so some really great stuff to be had. So all the lawn care starts from around £2.99. There's just straight grass seed, and then there's like ultra patch, which is pretty much grass seed as well. They've also got some moss killer weed and feed, which is slightly more expensive. At Premier Play then, so this is just a budget friendly grass seed for just 99p. It's pretty good value. I think it's just like a hardened ryegrass, so it's nothing special. Moving on to the soluble feeds then, so we've got the lawn feeds, which we obviously mix with water for £5.99. And then you've got the 4-in-1 complete feeds. As discussed, it's like a weed and feed and moss killer from £6.99. The Westlands is a pretty good make. I tend to go to Westlands, a bit more of a home brand for these kind of stores, a little bit more budget friendly compared to like Johnson's and things like that. This is what I use. This is the seaweed feed. It's a really great price at just £2.99. It's full of nitrogen. And then we've got the Resolver stuff as well. So you've got your weed killers. The main ingredient there is glyphosate. So it's quite a fast acting weed killer. And it needs to be above 14 in order for it to be active, which it very much is at the moment. So we've got some slow release fertilizer. This is just a simple scatter on the ground or in your pots, and this will release nutrients slowly throughout the season. And then Roundup's Resolvers, and we've got more weed killers just there as well. So a friend of mine told me that the 24-hour stuff does actually work within 24 hours. And we've got some bug killer just there as well. Slug and snail killer from £3.99. Then we've got wasp and fly killer just there for 99p. We've got the sticky traps for £2.99. And then we've got the dog scattering granules or cats for £2.99. Ant killers from £2.49. And then we've got to the rose clear and bug clear, helps with like black spot and things like that with your roses. That starts from £3.99. Then we've got some more bug killers. And then we've got the more heavy duty or the bigger packs of the Weedles if you've got a big space to cover. So moving on to the garden cleaners then. So they start from £4.99 for the big ones up to £2.99 for the slightly smaller tubs. So we've got the outdoor fluids, a lot like the Jay's fluid. I know they changed the ingredients many years ago and people said it wasn't quite as good, but I feel that's not too bad. It works pretty good. And the Jay's fluid starts at £6.99. £7.99 for the patchwork then, so that's the Miracle Grow. That's the really leading brand in horticulture. You get what you pay for a little bit on that. £5.99 for the spray nozzles for your hose pipes, with the smaller stuff being £2.99. And again, you do kind of get what you pay for there. They will last a little bit longer. Self-watering planters, and I actually looked at these. I thought they're really interesting. £5.99, so you just simply pop them in the bottom. But don't feed your plants in those, as it can go stagnant and the plants don't like it. So if you're going to purchase one of them, just make sure you take your plant out of it to feed it. Hose pipes then, from £6.99 for the slightly smaller stuff. And then we've got the wire there, £4.99, or the climbing mesh, should I say. 99p for the spray bottles then, £2.99 for the reasonable size watering cans, £7.99 for the portable hose pipes. So we've got the big reels then, £19.99. Then moving on, we've got the decorative stuff for the birds, £12.99 for the larger, and then up to sort of £3.99 for like your little mealworm sets. You've got your little hanging trays, $2.99. And then we've got the bug houses, $2.99 for the small decorative feeders as well. $2.99 for the balloon feeders. They're quite nice, aren't they? Not entirely sure where I'd actually be able to hang that in my garden, but I do quite like the look of it. So £1.29 then for the compost. That's just an add water. We've got the easy hanging basket sets and the butterfly sets from $2.99 with the wild meadow seed. Then we've got some little like rocket sets for £1.29. And then more seed packs for 99p. I have used these in the past, and I will say, guys, I haven't had great results with them. But let me know down below if you guys have. So $1.49 then for the cardboard pots. So you can just simply pop these in the ground and these will rot away. $2.99 for the pot sets with trays. I don't feel that's too bad of a price. $5.99 for your propagation set. So this is ideal for the windowsill, just thick enough in order for you to actually get your sowings done, which is probably coming into a perfect time. In another month or so, we start thinking about next year's plants, which is crazy. These are a better price though. These are more up my alley, $1.99, exactly the same. They go on the window, but they haven't got the ventilation on the top. So it's just a solid lid, but they are pretty good for the price. Literally for £2. I feel they're a really good value. And they are really very handy. So the saucers start at 59p up to 99p, just to catch a little bit of water for your pots. Actually, I've got a couple which I put a little bit of mealworm in for the robin in my garden. I sit out and have a cup of tea in the morning. So garden tools starts from around $4.99. We've got a twin set, $19.99 for the shears and the loppers. And the gloves start from 99p. A little bit cheaper in here compared to B&M. I think B&M starts at about $1.99. There's a little bit of a saving there. Then we've got hand trowels and forks, $1.99. They're a little bit more expensive than B&M. So we've got spades, forks, and a few other bits, all priced at $14.99 for the stainless steel sets, I believe. I can't comment as to how good they are, but I know I actually do purchase these sort of ones. I don't spend much more money than that. $9.99 for the shears. So $9.99 for the other tool set. So you've got some hose and some rakes. And then we've got the yellow brush just on the end there. Looks like a heavy duty brush for $6.99. Moving on to pots then. And the trug at the bottom. These are really handy to have around the garden. I tend to walk around with mine and just put bits in as I can. And then it goes in the brown bin. Small princess little buckets, they're quite nice, aren't they? $2.99. I know my daughter would love one of those. And the pots literally start from £1.29 up to $9.99. I actually quite like these ones, but please bear in mind they don't have any drainage holes in, so you will need to put some holes in if you wish for it to be an outdoor planter. $4.99. I don't think that's too bad of a price for the decorative one, and they are plastic as well. They look terracotta, so I quite like that. So $14.9. I think it's $6.99 for the different sizes. Again, these are all indoor pots technically because they've got no drainage holes in, but that feels like quite a solid pot. That it wouldn't go amiss in or outside, I feel. We've got the little plant stands on the end, $2.99. Small troughs, $2.99. We've got the teacup planters, again, $2.99. Sort of gimmicky, but I quite like those. So moving on then, we're going to take a look at what paint they've got on stock. So $9.99 for the Ronseal. They've got the brown, they're moving up. They've got like the almost greyish for $10.99. This is the only colour that they had in stock. I know I picked up a sage last year, it looked quite nice. And then we've got the small incinerators for $7.99. If you like disposing of your rubbish like that. $3.99 for the small wooden fences and $4.99 for the picket style fences. They do a job though. I do quite like those. Quite like them rustic as well. I don't like painting them. I haven't got any in my garden at the moment, but it's something I've used in the past. And then they've got seat covers. So they've still got quite a few furniture range in stock at the moment. And they start from around $7.99. Foldable tables then in stock at the moment, as well as a couple of little bistro sets. They've got singular chairs in stock at $24.99. Oh, sorry, that's the foldable different position ones. So $4.99 and $9.99 for the different size outdoor mats. And then I really quite like this mirror, $19.99. I think the bigger the mirror, the bigger your garden is going to look outside, if that makes sense. Actually really quite... I put a couple of small ones up in my garden a couple of days ago, and I feel it does add something. Nice little pixie mirror there then. And then another big mirror just there. It's water features, $69.99. I quite like those. I have got a pond build featured, or booked in, should I say, this December, so I'm looking forward to that. So I won't be adding a water feature as such. And then we've got some decorative bits as well, which goes on the wall. So the glass plant stand, $9.99. And I actually really like those. These look a lot like a Sempervirem to me. $2.99 for this wall art. I quite like that. I like the green over the blue. I think it looked nice on the front of the summer house. And we've got some more wall art, $3.99 and $29.99 for the smaller water features. And we've got the balls just there. So these cats are on offer at the moment. I'm not sure what I'd do with them, but they're quite nice. And then they've got some multi-purpose compost in stock. Now the Levingtons used to be a very, very good make, but I haven't used it for such a long time. And then $79.99 for the Flymo. So we've got some border bark, so like decorative bark. It's good for holding moisture and keeping the slugs off those plants. $4.99. I think that's a great price. And then we've got some more multi-purpose compost. Miracle Grow being the leading brand. And then we've got some Doff compost just there. And then we've got some weed control. So you can actually put a little bit of cardboard down to suppress the weeds before you put it down, water it on, and then put it over the top, and you won't have to do any weeding. So let's have a quick look at the decorative stuff to wrap this video up. So we've got a larger incinerator there. So the smaller one was $7.99. These are $14.99. Obviously, you'll be able to get a lot more in. These pandas, $19.99. And the Jersey cows, just there. I quite like those. Yeah, I really quite like those. The bears then, I don't like them as much, I'll be honest. $12.99. We've got some fairy stock. Unfortunately, no prices on those. And then like ladybirds and bee decor start from around 99p. There we have it. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been nice to do a couple of shopping vlogs again. If you did enjoy it, then please do give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care.